Hi guys, I'm Fiona. In today's training video, we will ask Engineer Wang to explain you guys how to replace the cap of the motor gearbox. When we export for easy loading the EPS cutting line into container, we will remove the gearbox installed on the machine in order to avoid oil leaking in the gearbox. We will use the nylon cap to 100% seal the gearbox. When our customer receives the cutting line and correct assembling, we will request them to replace the nylon cap with a red cap, because the motor will generate the heat in the process of operation. The heat generated will lead the gas expansion inside of the gearbox. It will lead to leak. That's why we need to replace the red cap, because the red cap has a small ventilation hole which is used to release the pressure inside.